Our store name is Ins Abaya.
Okay.
This is Saudi luxury hijab brand. In this store we have branch also. Another branch is in Abbots Orient Complex. Yeah. This store is in Hyderabad, Tolichoki Podium Mall beside Vishal Mega Mart. You can visit here.
Okay.
And you can see our store name, Ins Abaya. If you you can check the collection in Instagram also.
Okay.
Same name. Ins Abaya. Yeah, okay. Same name. Ins Abaya.
Okay.
We are in our store. The starting prices are from 1800 up to 4400. All are different prices, and the quality is from Saudi manufacturing.
Okay.
You can see the cloth and quality. This model is from price is 1800. You can see in this you will get colors and different designs in this price, and we are giving discount also.
Online?
Yes.
Okay.
On Insta also our store name is there. You can see in 1800 you will get different colors and designs also.
Okay.
You will get with this you will get stole also. You can see the designs. All are low prices. See this one. This is new model. Its price is 2600. In this you will get different color also.
Okay.
In this you will get blue color also.
2600.
600.
Okay.
We will give you discount.
Okay.
See this one. This one is embroidery. In this you will get also colors also. Different colors in this design. You can see. Its price is 2600.
Okay.
You will get discount also on this. These all are the colors of 1800 price. Different models and colors. You will get hijab with this.
1800, huh?
Yeah, 1800.
Okay.
This
one?
This one is kaftan model, plain
Okay.
kaftan. In this you will get 7-8 colors, different.
Okay.
You can see this model like this. This is a Saudi luxury hijab brand.
Price?
Its price is 3000.
3000.
You will
Okay.
get discount on this also. You will get discount. This is simple. It's semi-party wear type.
Okay.
Its price is 2200. On this you will get discount also. You can see that. In this you will get colors and different designs in this model also. These all are the colors of that model. 7 colors.
7
8,
colors. Okay.
yeah. 7-8 colors you will get.
Price 2000?
2200.
200.
Price.
Okay.
You will get discount also.
Okay.
See these one. These all are also those colors only.
Okay.
You can see. We have not light colors. You can wear daily. And this cloth is better for summer. Its name is Blackberry.
Okay.
It's very cool in summer. In these also, these all are colors. We have this model also. We have all models of Saudi only. You can see the designs and models and colors.
Price?
Its price is 2200.
Okay.
Yeah. You will get discount. See this one. This one is umbrella model. Simple. In this you will get a different color also. Rather than white piping, you will get black piping also. You can see this. This is zip model. You can see. You can see this model. It is also Saudi model. Its price is 3400. You will get discount.
3,400.
400. These all are you can washable or
Okay.
you can see the cloth and quality. It's good. You can see this one also. We have only simple designs, not of stones. It's simple designs. It's Monto type. Yeah, it's this fabric is jute
Okay.
and the inner layer of this is soft layer. It is better for summer also. You can see this model. It have two pockets.
Okay.
Like it is like Monto type. You can see this here and here also.
Price?
Its price is 4,400.
Okay.
We will give you discount
Okay.
and we will give summer also. You can see this one. This one price is 4,400. On this you will get discount also.
Okay.
This one. These designs for college wear girls and school wear girls. Simple colors and designs. With all the buy you will get hammer also. Its price is 2,200. We will give you discount also.
Okay.
In this you will get colors. 4 or 5 colors you will get in that. See this model. This is for aged women. They can wear. Only one side work is there. It's Nida fabric. After washing it will get good results.
Price?
Its price is 2,600. We will give
2,000.
you discount also.
Okay.
And cover. You can see this design. They have upper layer and down embroidery. Like party wear. Its price is 2,500.
Okay.
You will get discount also with summer. This is kaftan model for party wear. Its price is 2,800.
Okay.
We will give you discount. And this one is buttons. All are front buttons. This you will get black color, grey color, navy blue color. There are colors in this.
2,800.
800.
Okay.
We will give you discount on all the abaya. You will get discount.
Okay.
This is open button type. You can see like this. It is easy to wear on party wear dresses.
Okay.
And see in this you will get colors different. Black color is also there.
Okay.
This one color also there. In this you will get two patterns. One open
Okay.
and one in close.
Close.
With this color also. This is also same.
Okay.
This one also you can wear open hand. It is easy to wear in party wear dresses. In all the designs and colors you will get sizes.
Okay.
See this one. This is also jute material. In this, the inner layer is soft. You can see. Inner layer is soft. In summer also you can wear this.
Price?
Its price is 3,800.
Okay.
On this also you will get discount. This one is without pocket.
Okay.
Yeah. In this also you will get all the sizes. This one is baggy model. This one is also for party wear. You can wear.
Price?
Its price is 2,800.
2,800.
You will get discount also and summer also.
Okay.
This one you can see. It's simple, but simple and so. We will give you discount. After discount you will get
2,000?
3,800. 3,200.
3,000. Okay.
Yeah, its prices. We will give you discount. You will get colors: navy blue, pink,
Okay.
maroon, grey. 6-7 colors in all designs. You will get different things. See this one. And this you will get black color also.
Mm-hmm. Price?
Its price is 4,400.
4,400.
4,400.
Okay.
Can you see this one? The price is 1,800. This is daily wear. Model is for daily wear. All the designs and colors you will get the sizes.
1,800.
Yeah, 1,800. On this also you will get discount.
Okay.
This is also Monto type. This is only Rabaya.
Mhm.
Like Monto type. Its price is 4,400. And you will get discount and with summer this one.
Okay.
That size pocket you can see.
Mm-hmm.
There is a pocket and this big pocket, not so small pocket.
Okay. 4,400.
400. You will get discount also and see the back side of this item.
Okay.
So you can see this one. Its price is 3,400.
Okay.
You will get discount and summer and all the sizes.
Okay. Colors?
Colors. In this you will get brown color also.
Okay.
Yeah. See this one.
Mm-hmm.
Designs are same but the cloths are different.
Okay.
This one is Nida fabric. In Nida fabric and printed. The upper one is. Models are same. These two also like Monto type. Yeah.
Price?
Its
3,000.
price is same.
Okay. 3,400.
4,400.
4,400.
We will give you discount
Okay.
on all. You can see this one.
Okay.
It have frills style. This model is frills. You get frills on this. On this also you will get 5-6 colors
Mhm.
in this model. You can see here. 1, 2, 3. In all
Okay.
the designs and in all the designs you will get sizes and colors, and these all are with hammer also.
Price?
Its price is 3,200. We will give you discount also.
Okay.
You can see this one. This one also simple and not with stone design or embroidery design. From different design. You can see all the designs are from Saudi designs. And the cloth and the quality is all from Saudi. Its price is 2,600. We will give you a discount. This one is button model. In this one you will get blue color, navy
Okay.
blue color.
Blue.
Yes. And see this navy blue color. This one
Okay.
wrinkled abaya. In this you will get colors black, blue, grey,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and brown. This one also with hammer, and in this also you will get all sizes. Yeah.
Price?
You can see. Its price is 2,800. We will give you discount. And all the price are depend on the quality.
Mhm.
Quality, not on the design, but it's depend on the quality
Okay.
of cloth. Yeah. This is grey, each one. And this color, beige color. We have the colors, different colors. You can see this model. This model, the design is on hands.
Okay.
Yes. You can see this. In this also you will get colors and sizes. And you will get hammer also. In this you will get black color and grey color.
Okay.
Its price is 3,800.
Mhm.
We will give you discount. See this one. College grade girls. You can see. It's simple. The price is 3,200.
Mhm.
We will give you discount.
Okay.
On hand, you can use 2 designs. You can wear like hand के according tie करके. And the bell sleeves which is going on the design. In this you will get the pearls colors, different colors of these pearls. You can see. In this you will get different colors of this piping.
Mm-hmm.
See this piping. This piping you will get different colors. The price of this abaya is 1,800.
Okay.
We will give you discount also. And with this also you will get khamar and the sizes, different sizes you will get. See this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one is look like zip model.
Okay.
But you can see this one is stitching, not this paste. This is stitched.
Okay.
You can see here. This is washable.
Mm-hmm.
Some people think if they wash, it will go on, but this will not go on. All are stitched, not
Okay.
paste.
Mm-hmm.
You can see this.
Price?
Its price is 3,200.
Okay.
Yeah, we will give you discount also. This is different design. It's simple for daily wear.
Okay.
This price is 1,800. We will
1,800.
give you discount.
Mm-hmm.
This one is embroidery. Its price is 2,200.
Mm-hmm.
We will give you discount and with khamar.
Okay.
This one. Its price is 2,500.
Okay.
You will get discount.
2,000?
2,500.
500.
You will get khamar and you will get sizes different.
Okay.
Look this one. After wearing you will get like that. After you wear you will look like this.
Okay.
Right. You will get embroidery on hands on the one side
Mhm.
of abaya. Back side you will get plain like this.
Okay. Price?
Its price is 2,200.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see this one. Its price is 2,200. On this design you will get different colors of this piping.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are buying color abaya,
Okay.
you will get color hijab,
Mm-hmm.
not plain black. You
Okay.
will get color hijab. In this you will get this different piping. Its price is 2,200. We will give you discount. And look this. For girls, after some days we are keeping girls abaya also.
Okay.
After 1 month you will get the different designs and colors.
Mhm.
And these all are you will get in low prices.
Okay.
Yeah. And look this abaya. Its price is 2,800.
Okay.
You will get discount. We will keep low prices, starting prices.
Okay.
All are naqabs. You can see the designs. All are different designs. And the cloth is from Saudi. You can see. It's
Okay.
very soft. It is not irritation to
Okay.
cheeks. It is
Mhm.
soft cloth. You can see we have different designs.
Okay. Price?
Its price is 250.
250. Okay.
Yeah, 250. This one you can see.
Mm-hmm.
It's a new. This design is going on
Okay.
the side. You will see this one.
Mm-hmm.
In this you will get different types of brooches.
Okay.
All are different. Yeah. Its price is 250.
Okay.
All the price of this hijab is depend on quality.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the quality of this.
Okay.
This one also 250.
Okay.
In other stores or in other places, you will get minimum prices like 60 or 50 or in 100 or in 150.
Okay.
But the quality is different. In our store, the quality you can see, it's very soft
Yes.
to skin. Not it will get irritation to skin. And you can see this design also. This one is 2-layer hijab. Like this. Its price is also 280.
280.
Yeah.
Okay.
This price for the cloth,
Mm-hmm.
not for the design. This one is going on in Saudi and in
Mm-hmm.
here, like this. You can
Price?
see. This price is 250.
250. Okay.
It's different. You can see this one. This one have 2 layers. 2 layers will come the
Okay.
upper side,
Mm-hmm.
like this one. After wearing, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Its price is 300.
300. Okay.
Yeah, all are different prices, but the prices are for the quality, not for the design. You can see the all the cloth.
Okay.
Yeah, it is soft for skin. Not the after this wearing, not get irritation to skin. It's very good cloth. You can see the hijabs also. All are different hijabs we have for
Okay.
daily wear. All are for daily. Starting price are 250.
250.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have this chiffon hijabs also.
Okay.
These all our price is 250.
250.
Yeah, 250. You can see this all the designs and the colors. Purple and